25 years in prison for a crime he did not commit.
And now a Williamson County man is just hours away from walking free. Michael Morton spent a quarter of a century in prison for killing his wife, but new DNA evidence points to another man. And a bombshell in court today, that suspect is also linked to an unsolved murder in Travis County. KXAN's Shannon Wolfson was in the courtroom for the announcement today. She joins us live from outside the courthouse in Georgetown. Shannon?
Really, Robert, an absolutely electrifying day in court today. You cannot imagine the energy inside that courtroom as the judge agreed to overturn Michael Morton's conviction and set him free after 25 years in prison. Michael Morton was not in the courtroom, but these are the words he's been waiting to hear for more than 2 decades.
Is that Mr. Morton should be immediately released on bond in light of this extraordinary new evidence.
District Attorney John Bradley calls that new evidence a lightning bolt in this case. 6 weeks ago, DNA on a bloody bandana found near the Morton home matched a known violent criminal, not Michael Morton. And it also matches DNA found at the scene of an unsolved murder in Travis County.
Got a whole huge team here. It takes doesn't take a village, it takes an army to accomplish this, and it's not over yet.
Barry Scheck is the founder of the Innocence Project, a team of lawyers who pursued the new DNA testing in the Morton case 6 years ago.
And it's been a long, hard fight. I think there are a couple of morals to take from it. First, you should never oppose DNA testing. It can only reveal the truth.
In fact, Bradley did oppose DNA testing in the Morton case, but faced with a mountain of evidence, he called the Innocence Project himself late last week to arrange Morton's release.
And so it is my job as the district attorney to make sure that justice is being done.
But Bradley stopped short of saying Michael Morton is innocent.
Innocent is a very specific word, and I am going to say that the evidence right now justifies his reversal.
25 years ago, Michael Morton insisted they had the wrong man. The court didn't believe him then, but they do now. Well, this case is hardly over. There is another hearing expected tomorrow. We're expecting Michael Morton to be in that hearing and formally released. John Bradley says he can't imagine retrying Morton, which effectively means he but there are many other issues in this case. Bradley confirmed today he is investigating possible prosecutorial misconduct by the original prosecutors who may have withheld evidence from defense attorneys that might have set.
Shannon, thank you. Right now, Michael Morton is in prison in Corsicana. He'll be moved to Williamson County sometime in the next 24 hours. We expect him to be released in Williamson County tomorrow afternoon, in fact. A person who was wrongly convicted in Texas is eligible for $80,000 for each year they spent behind bars, and that means Morton could be awarded $2 million.